Hey guys, it's Jess with Sylvie Home. I want to show you how I got this weathered finish on this jewelry box. Before I had started painting, I did give it a really good clean with a deglosser as well. And then I started using Linen White by Chalked, and then the second coat was Elegance by Country Chic Paint. It's a really pretty light blue color. And then next up, I'm just adding a beautiful charcoal gray color called Rocky Mountain. And I think that this will go really well with the transfers I'm choosing to use. When I am doing a transfer, I typically look at it and then pick my colors around that. So now that it's dried, which it really only took about an hour here because it's just so hot right now and I was working in my garage. I'm taking a microfiber cloth and some water, and then I'm just wet distressing it, which is going to work really well because it's so fresh. You'll get to see every layer of paint, including the original layer, which gives it that weathered look that I'm after. Now I'm just going to cut out a few pieces of the Minty Roses transfer by Redesign with Prima. These just take the piece to the next level. I love how these transfers look on little pieces like this. The Minty Roses size has pieces that you can cut out that look really good on small jewelry boxes and upcycles like this. And it's really easy to stretch them out to use them for multiple projects. And then you do have to seal over your transfers. I'm choosing to do a chalk finish on this one, so it's just a clear chalk wax by Jolie. And after I apply my wax, I go ahead and buff it out with another microfiber cloth. And so now I'm just reapplying my hardware, and then once it's on, it'll be a little bit easier for me to go ahead and apply a gilding wax. And I'm just choosing to use a little copper gilding wax. And I'm also going to go around the corners and edges and apply that same wax there to give it some more depth and a little more sparkle. And it looks a lot different than it did before, that is for sure. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.